Hello everyone, welcome to the online classes of Shri Mahavir International School, Kishangarh, Rainwal. So students, today we are going to learn about our chapter 1 and the name of the chapter is Pam's Surprise. So here in the story, it is about two girls. One of them is Pam and another one is Jill. So in the story, Jill's birthday is coming and Pam decided to give Jill's birthday gifts in a different way. So she decided to do some tricks on her friend because she is the naughtiest one and she loved to do pranks on her friends. So now let's go and start the chapter. Pam loved to play tricks on her friend. Pam always loved to do tricks on her friends. For her friend Jill's birthday, Pam found a special way to give Jill presents. Because Jill's birthday is coming, so Pam decided to give Jill presents in a different way. A week before the birthday, she went to Jill's house. Just a week before the birthday, Pam went to Jill's house. Jill, may I please borrow your dollhouse? Asked Pam. Pam asked Jill that can you give me your dollhouse for some time? Of course, said Jill. Jill said, of course you can have it. After a few days, Pam returned the dollhouse. After a few days, Pam came to Jill's house and returned her dollhouse. However, along with the dollhouse, she also gave Jill another tiny dollhouse. But with that bigger one dollhouse, Pam returned a tiny dollhouse to Jill. Why and what she said about that tiny dollhouse? Let us come to know. Your dollhouse had a baby, said Pam. Pam said to Jill that your bigger one dollhouse had a small baby. Jill wondered how a plastic dollhouse could have a baby. Jill thought that how can a plastic have a baby? However, she kept the tiny dollhouse. A few days later, Pam went to Jill again. A few days later, again Pam came to Jill's house. May I please borrow your wooden bowl? Now Pam asked to Jill that can I have your wooden bowl? Yes, you may, said Jill. Jill said, of course you can have it. Pam thanked Jill and took the bowl home. Pam said thank you to the Jill and took the bowl at her home. Later, she came back with a much bigger wooden bowl. After few days, what did Pam done? Pam just came with a much bigger wooden bowl. This is not the bowl I gave you, said Jill. Jill said to Pam that this is not that bowl which I gave you that time. My bowl is smaller. My bowl was just a small one and you are giving me the much bigger one. You see, I put some biscuit in the bowl, said Pam. Pam said that I had just put some biscuit in your bowl. It must have eaten the biscuits and grown bigger. Maybe your bowl had eaten all that biscuits and became bigger. So the day of Jill's birthday arrived. The day of Jill's birthday arrived. Pam wished her at the party. Pam wished her happy birthday to Jill. I love your ring. Pam again said to Jill that I love your ring. May I borrow it to show it to my mother? Can you give it to me so that I can show this to my mother? What did Jill reply? Jill said, of course you can have it, because Jill never said no to her friend. Please take good care of it. It is very old. Jill just advised her friend that please take good care of the ring because it is very old. Please take good care of it. It is very old. My mother gave it to me. It is very old because my mother gave this to me. After the party, Pam went to Jill's house with a sad face. When the party was over, Pam came to Jill's house with a sad face and said, "I'm sorry, Jill, your ring is dead." What? What she said? "I am sorry, Jill, your ring is dead." Dead? Asked Jill. Jill asked, "Are you serious? What are you saying? My ring is dead." How can that be possible? I mean, how can that? How can something made of metal die? Pam smiled. If a plastic dollhouse can have a baby, if you can think that a plastic dollhouse can have a baby, a wooden bowl can grow by eating, then a metal ring can die of old age, she said, laughing at her friend. Just she laughed when she was saying these lines to her friend, that if you can imagine that a plastic dollhouse can have a baby and a wooden bowl can grow by eating, then of course a metal ring can die of old age. "Oh, Pam, you and your jokes," said Jill. Jill said, "Pam, you and your jokes, both are naughtiest. I will return your tiny house and wooden bowl right away." So what did Jill said to Pam? She said that, "Now I am fed up with all this, and now I am going to return you your tiny doll house and the wooden bowl, the bigger one which you gave me." "No, those are your birthday gifts," said Pam. Pam said, "No, you can't return back that, because that are your birthday gifts. I wanted to give them to you in a special way. Here is your ring. Happy birthday, Jill." Pam said to Jill that, "No, no, 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 you can't return back them, because they are your birthday gifts. I just wanted to give you your birthday gifts in a different way, in a special way. So I just decided this way. Here is your ring, Jill. Happy birthday." Jill hugged her friend and thanked her for her funny gifts. Finally, Jill hugged her friend and thanked her for everything, whatever she gave her. So your chapter is over, but before ending the chapter, you must know about your words which are in the chapter. So here are some words to know. The first word is borrow. Means take something to use it for a short time and then give it back. Means like you took something from your friend or your neighbor for some time, for 1 day, for 2 day, okay, for few hours maybe, and after that you will return it back to them. Okay. Second one, wondered. Thought about something, means thinking about something. Next, plastic. Light and strong material used to make different things. A material which is light and strong, from many cheese they are made up of, like chair. Okay. Wooden, made of wood. The things which are made up of wood are called wooden things. Metal, a hard and shiny material. Hard and shiny material. So students, tell me what you come to know in the chapter. It's just about surprises which one friend is going to give another friend. So here the Pam was the naughtiest one, you come to know, because she was giving Jill her birthday gifts in a very different way by playing tricks on her. Okay, so here is the chapter over. I hope you love the chapter. Enjoy your study. Stay healthy.